Case Construction was established in 1842 by Jerome Increase Case in Wisconsin. Later on, in 1999, the company was merged with New Holland. This merger and acquisition has led CNH to become one of the 3 largest firms that manufactures and retails agricultural machinery and construction equipment. CNH owns 12 machinery manufacturing sites in the United States, Italy, Germany, Brazil, and India. Moreover, there are 4 additional joint venture plants: the United States, Japan, and Czech Republic. Today, CNH is globally renowned as one of the best brands manufacturing agricultural machinery and construction equipment. All editions of Case Construction products are made to be robust, high-performance, fuel-efficient, cost-saving, profit-making, and maintenance-friendly due to convenient access to all parts. Case Construction was nominated the 2015 Association of Equipment Management Professionals AEMP Associate of the Year. Moreover, 5 heavy equipment models were also ranked the top 100 heavy equipment in a newly launched construction exhibition in 2014 due to quality, durability, work efficiency, and energy consumption reduction. In addition, Case Construction also offers a Site Watch service, which is an equipment management system via satellite. It helps gather data and process the equipment usage information, as well as providing notification and following up when an automatic maintenance is required. Watkinson Construction Equipment Company Limited is a distributor of Case heavy equipment for construction in Thailand. Learning from the past business experience, Watkinson puts professionalism into the heart of its service, serving high-quality machinery that is manufactured to meet the USA and European standard requirements with continuous product and service development. The company is ready to lead the market of heavy equipment to meet all demands while providing professional level of service with ongoing expansion of service coverage throughout Thailand to serve entrepreneurs and contractors. Today, Watkinson Construction Equipment establishes its headquarters in Rayong Province. In addition, it also has a Bangkok branch located in Southern Square, which is ready to provide a nationwide level of service. The effort is made to offer a design paired with efficiency to give our customers a professional work experience. Cost saving and best value for the money. Excellent standards. Professional service. We are proud of taking care while moving shoulder to shoulder with our customers. Case Construction by Watkinson Construction Equipment.